Have you ever wanted a voice that grabs everyone's attention? A voice that makes people sit up and take notice? Well, guess what? Today's your lucky day. We're about to dive into the secrets of unlocking that powerful, commanding voice you've always dreamed of. Picture this. You walk into a room, and as soon as you start speaking, all eyes turn to you. That's the kind of voice we're talking about here. It's not just about sounding good, it's about feeling confident and in control every time you open your mouth. So if you've ever felt like your voice could use a little boost, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover the techniques that will help you master the art of the deep voice and leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Step 1. Breathe like a pro. Let's kick things off with the basics. The foundation of a deep, commanding voice begins with mastering your breathing technique. Most folks tend to take shallow breaths, filling only their chest with air. But to truly unlock the richness of your voice, you need to learn to breathe from your diaphragm. Start by placing one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your stomach to expand as if it's filling up like a balloon. Feel the air flowing deep into your lungs, from the bottom up. This simple act is the key to unlocking the full potential of your voice. Step 2. Mastering vocal projection with confidence. Now that you've got your breathing down pat, it's time to shift our focus to vocal projection. Remember, a deep voice isn't just about pitch, it's about resonance. You want your voice to fill the space around you, leaving no doubt about your presence. Practice speaking from your chest rather than relying on your throat or nasal passages. Imagine your voice as a powerful wave emanating from the depths of your core. With each word, project it forward with confidence and conviction, letting it reverberate through the room. Step 3. Perfecting your articulation with precision. With the basics mastered, it's time to fine-tune your articulation. A deep voice is only impactful if it's clear and articulate. Take the time to enunciate each word with precision and clarity. Engage in tongue twisters and vocal warm-ups to sharpen your diction. Pay close attention to the nuances of pronunciation, ensuring that every syllable is crisp and distinct. Your words should demand attention and command respect. Step 4. Integrating your deep voice into everyday conversations. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets to a powerful, resonant voice. But remember, mastery takes practice. It's time to start incorporating your deep voice into your daily interactions, whether you're chatting with friends, leading meetings, or giving presentations. Whether you're commanding attention in a boardroom or captivating an audience, let your voice be your greatest asset. With confidence and conviction, there's no limit to the impact you can make. Step 5. Enhancing your deep voice with advanced techniques. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some advanced techniques to take your deep voice to the next level. Practice down talking for added authority. Incorporate down talking into your speech by ending sentences with a deeper pitch. This subtle shift signals confidence and authority, commanding attention and respect from your listeners. Breathe fully to amplify your voice's power. Practice breathing fully into your stomach while speaking to naturally produce a deeper and more commanding voice. By engaging your diaphragm and expanding your breath capacity, you'll enhance the resonance and impact of your voice. Make your voice deeper and slower for maximum presence. Experiment with making your voice 10–20% deeper and slower to improve your vocal presence. This deliberate adjustment adds weight and gravitas to your speech, elevating your authority and influence. Consciously breathe through your nose for control. Consciously breathe through your nose while speaking to sound more powerful and in control. Nasal breathing helps regulate your airflow and maintain vocal stability, ensuring a consistent and commanding voice. Leverage your deep voice for online influence. Harness the power of your deep and commanding voice to enhance your influence, especially in online and virtual communication. Whether you're leading virtual meetings or engaging with audiences on social media, your resonant voice will captivate and inspire. And there you have it. With these techniques, you're well on your way to mastering the art of the deep voice. Remember to practice regularly and embrace the power of your newfound vocal prowess. Stay tuned for more tips in the next video.